welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, well really just showing you guys a brand new Supreme Nudes collection from Artist Couture. You see Mac Daddy, okay, Angel right up in there. This is such a pretty collection. As soon as I got the PR box, I was like, oh, I cannot wait to film with it. So he's launching an eyeshadow palette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nude lipsticks. We love a nude. And then relaunching his loose highlighters. And if you guys watch my videos, like I hope you do, you know that I love Honey Drip, which is his pressed powder that I believe is being discontinued, but it's still one of my favorites. I just love nudes and highlighters. And this collection is just, you guys know, this is this is speaking to me. So in this video, I'm going to try on all of the lipsticks. I'm going to try on one of the highlighters. You guys should be familiar with the highlighters because they have been out for a while. And the eyeshadow palette. I've already, you can see my fingerprints are all over it. I've already kind of dug into it, but it is so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, nice nudes. So I know some of you are probably looking at some of these lighter colors like, oh, I can't use that in the crease. These are really pretty when you want that matte lid. You know what I mean? So light colors like this are great under the brow or on the lid when you want that matte look. I just cannot wait to even dive into this palette right here. So before we even do the makeup, I have to tell you guys, I was setting up my whole little studio before I started filming. My butt tripped over one of the poles over here, over the light pole, okay? Found myself like this with my arms back and I was like, ah! My legs were trying to catch up and I probably went about 5 feet and thank goodness my legs are thick. They were able to hold on. I didn't fall, but I tripped up the mic, like everything got unplugged. It was one of those things I wish it was caught on tape because I know if I looked at it, I would start laughing. So I'm very thankful for today. I'm thankful that I didn't bust my ass just now. I'm thankful that I'm able to film for you guys and just thankful for my health. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, I threw on a headband to protect my edges. Let me show you guys the palette one more time, just because it is super pretty. You can see the names are at the bottom. There's a mirror, which I love. It's a pretty thin palette, which I also like. And let me just show you guys the pigment, okay? Look at that. Ooh, we like that. I wanted to swatch the green because I think I am gonna do like a bronze look. Like you guys, I can't help it. Like I just can't resist. When I look at this palette, see how thin it is? When I look at this palette, I'm like, ooh, I just wanna like hop right into this. You know what I mean? So we're gonna start with the crease, and I think what I'm gonna use is this color Transcend right here, just because this is like a normal transition color for me. What's going on here? I put concealer on my eyes, so it's creasing a little bit. It tends to happen. I put concealer on before I tripped, so it's been a minute. All right, so this is Transcend. Okay, so typically I try and minimize the amount of colors I put in the crease for you guys, just because I want it to be like easy and not too, you know, crazy. But this color right here, this like terracotta brown is just speaking to me. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this in the crease, which is gonna darken the crease, but also I think add a little bit of color, you know? You can see that deepen the crease just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush. This is Sigma E42, and I'm gonna dip Mink, this dark brown, just in the outer corner of the lid and the crease. So after you kind of place the shadow, you wanna go in and blend it. So that's why I like to use a smaller brush. Use the smaller brush to kind of place it in the shape you want, and then grab a bigger brush and kind of blend it out. Ooh, that was too big. That was too big. All right, I'm also gonna smudge that dark brown shade in Mink on my bottom lash line. Ooh, I even kind of like it like this, you know, with a matte lid. Well, you guys know I love my mattes. I'm just saying like as like a, you know, alternate when you don't want a little bit of a shimmer, you do a matte look. All right, I'm gonna get my flat brush and apply Opulence all over the lid. Ooh, let me actually just dig in with my finger. There's a lot of shadows that as soon as I like, see, yep, grab it with the brush, I can tell I'm like, okay, this is gonna go on better with my finger. There it is. Summer's around the corner. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Makes me happy. All right, I'm gonna grab this lighter shade here with my brush. This one, what is this, Lavish? And I'm gonna put this just on the inside of the eye. This color is a little bit more of a, what'd I say, like a green gold? No, just like a gold. Not as copper as the lid. All right, I'm gonna line the top with my Melt Cosmetics Gel Liner. I like this one because it is super dark black. Like one of the blackest gel liners out there, Melt Cosmetics. Let's see here. Make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm not gonna wing it out this time. I think I winged it out the last video. Plus this is like more of a blended look. So I'm just gonna make it thicker on the outside and then kind of blend out the corner. So just grab your little bullet brush and right here, this corner, just kind of blend it into the shadow. So it looks like there isn't a stopping point. All right, I'm gonna line my waterline with my Buxom Here's My Number brown eyeliner. I'm applying it under my lash line just a little bit also. And then dip into Mink from the palette and kind of smudge. I'm almost like applying and smudging at the same time. See, you can't even tell that's a brown. That's what I love about brown liner. It just gives a really soft, smoky look. Ooh, okay, so I want my crease to be just like a little bit darker. I'm just gonna add a little bit more Mink into the crease just to deepen it, tiny bit more. All right, I'm gonna finish off the eyeshadow look with my Misty Rose lashes. I actually wore these the other day. I love them. They're by ienvy by Kiss. I freaking love these. So I'm just gonna rewear them. All right, I added a little glue. I always look down when I apply lashes just so I can really get the lash close to my natural lash line. All right, while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna wait a second to put mascara on, and in the meantime, I'm gonna put Sugar Daddy Loose Highlighter from Artist Couture on. Let's see here. I always dip into the loose powder and then tap off the excess on the lid so I don't get too much. Let's see. This is an Artist Couture brush also. Put a little bit on the nose here. This is NARS Torrid blush. I like this because it's like a pinky coral, just super flattering. Whenever I do like a bronze eye, I almost always do like a pinky color blush, like a pinky coral. This is Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. Really good if you want length and volume, mainly volume. And I'm just putting this at the base of my lash and then on my bottom lashes. Ooh, this look is telling me that even though I'm stuck inside, I would look bomb if I was outside. All right, now I'm gonna try on all 6, is it 6? Yeah, all 6 of the nude lipsticks, starting with, I think the deepest tone, Aphrodisiac. This is my Colourpop BFF4 lip liner. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a chestnut. Ooh, and this is like a silky cream. So it still has a lot of pigment, as you guys can see, but it's not as, I guess, dry as a matte. All right, this next shade is Boy Toy. I thought I was doing light, dark to light, but I guess not. Is this the lightest one? Perhaps. Let me deepen it a little bit. So anytime you have a light lipstick and you're like, ooh, it's too light, just add a little bit of liner. It's actually kind of nice. I'd actually like this mixed with another nude. I love my nude, so I'd wear this with lip gloss. All right, this next shade is Adore Me, which is a little bit more of a mauvey brown. Mauve. I like this more than I thought I would. Ooh. What is that? Adore Me. This one's Power Play. I've actually tried this one on. It's a really good nude. Oh yes. So this, even mixed with that second shade I tried on, Boy Toy, would be super cute. Let me actually try it. So this is Power Play, which is like a perfect nude. It almost like matches my skin tone. A little bit of this. Ooh, look at that. All right, this next shade's pretty light. It's called Angel Baby. So I filled in my lips with BFF3 lip liner because I already know this is gonna be light. actually like, I mean, I love all nudes, and I love like lighter nudes like this because I like to mix my shades, and also I'll put like a gloss over it. There's so many different dimensions of a nude, you know, there's so many ways to like, you know, manipulate it, if you will. All right, this last shade is called Saucy Gal, and I just lined with Colourpop BFF3 lip liner. Oh, yes. This is it. Nothing like a warm nude. Ooh. If you have a lighter skin tone, this will probably be like a peachy nude. But for me, ooh, this is perfect. Ooh, I love this one. This is definitely my favorite, Saucy Gal. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of BFF4. See what BFF4 does? Ooh, this is super cute. And then I'm gonna finish off the look with Uncensored by Artist Couture, which is also a nude. Ooh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, here is the finished look. I mean, I don't even have to say anything. You guys already know. It's cute. It's real cute. I was actually pleasantly surprised with the lipsticks that all of them were wearable. I feel like Angel always does like a really good job with nudes. Like I feel like they're always just meant for my skin tone. Like they're meant for me. Like, should we call this the Shayla collection? No. No, but really, like, these are just colors that I love to wear. I love the bronze on my lid. I love how neutral the dark brown was, that shade Meek. Like, it wasn't too red, it wasn't too orange. It was a nice neutral brown, which is great for photography. I mean, the highlighter, the lips, everything is on point, okay? We love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment video ideas below. I always read your guys' comments, and last but not least, strut and slay.